the instruction in meditation is, you do whatever your practice is. For some people, it's clear mind, clear mind, clear mind, exhale, don't know. Some people, it's counting your breath or doing a mantra. And then every time you notice that your mind has wandered off, then just like a little puppy, you very gently, you bring it back to your practice, back to your practice, back to your practice. And you keep doing that over and over and over. But there's these long periods in between before you notice, and that's the time when, it's like your karma. It's like whatever, well, we call it karma, but whatever is appearing in your mind, then you see that, right? But then you don't necessarily stay with it. You don't stay with it. You just very gently, you notice, you bring your mind back to your practice. And then, 5 seconds later, I should say, you're off again. There's something's really bothering you. You're off again. And then you bring your mind, when you notice, bring your mind back to your practice, not in a rough way, and not in a way where, oh God, I'm wandering off again. I can't keep my mind cleared, not like that at all. Just this is the nature of our mind. This is how our mind is. It goes, and then we bring it back. It goes off that way, we bring it back. Sometimes there's a storm going on inside you. Something really terrible, has happened, and maybe coming back, and like this isn't even the right way to practice with that. Now this is something we all have to, judge for ourselves. Sometimes you just have to sit there and you say to yourself, like, what is this? And then you feel it. You can, if it's some emotional thing that's going on, where is it in your body? You're like a scientist. Is it hot? Is it cold? You just like, you feel it. It's like, and that's what you do. And then when you can, you come back to your practice. So either way, whether you want to or not, you're going to see what's going on. But our practice is to come back to this moment, because just like I said before, how you keep your mind in this moment is how your life is going to be. This moment, the next moment is the result of the previous moment, down the line, boom. So when your mind is clear, then your life will be clear. So I hope that was a good I hope that was a good answer. I mean, practicing is a very, very personal thing. So on the one hand, you don't want to be like, what am I going to do? I need to go to New York. Now, what do I need in my suitcase? That kind of thinking. You want to bring your mind back. Just keep coming back. And other kind, but if something is just really troubling you, if, you don't have peace in your, you just feel very disturbed, then it can be really good to just look at it. What is this? And feel it, like own it in your body. You can even like breathe it in. Breathe in, what you're feeling, and then exhale, don't know. Just breathe it in and exhale, don't know. So there's many, many ways to work with meditation. And I hope you'll all try that, and that you will find your true self and save all beings from suffering.